Hey, this is Kevin, and I'm going to show you a quick walkthrough of how you can use job change signals within Common Room. So one of the first things to notice here is that we have lots of contacts. We want to narrow down this list of people who have changed jobs, and then a few more filters here too. So I'm going to say job change, and we'll limit this to anyone in the last 6 months. And then let's say we want to build a view for a rep. So I can say, let's find someone from Salesforce Sync. I'll say account owner name is Dylan in this case. And then one last thing, we'll want to narrow down this 250 even more to previous customers. So I can say organization tag is any of customer, and then we'll just change this to their previous org. And just like that, we'll narrow down that list to a more workable set. We can see things to call it here, like their current organization, their previous organization, and their job change date. I can also filter by this to see the most recent job changes here. And if I wanted to, I can preview someone in this preview pane and also see like, oh yeah, these are the jobs that they've worked at the different companies where they've worked in the past, which is great. From here, I can save this as a list, and I'm going to hop over to another tab to what that looks like as a burn down list for one of our reps. So here we have anyone who's changed jobs in the last 12 weeks in this person's book of business. It's replenished on a daily basis, and they can use this as a burn down list to say add someone like this to a outreach sequence or reach them on LinkedIn. So to do that, all you need to do is click this add button here, and then you'll be able to select an outreach or your sequencing tool. I can say, let's choose a sequence for job changes, former customer. I can still use Dylan's email inbox, and then I'll click add a sequence, and they'll be sent into that outbound sequence that we've created for this specific play. And then one more thing I wanted to show is full on automation. And for that, we can tap into Common Room workflows. So I can click new workflow here. We'll also do a similar workflow. We're adding someone to an outreach sequence. I'll click create here. And then maybe I can zoom in on this a little bit. Actually, there we go. So let's click add filter. We can say job change activity again. And we'll say this time within the last 28 days. And this will only apply for people who are new, who qualify this criteria. And we can add similar filters for owner. We'll choose Dylan again. Let me jump down here to Salesforce and do account owner name is Dylan. And then we can also add another filter. This time, maybe we'll use a contact tag filter and say, let's only send this to people who change jobs who are economic buyers. Which we've defined in our admin as well. And then we can do the same kind of thing, find a job change sequence, select the right inbox to send that from, and then I'll click save here. And then just like that, anyone who matches this criteria will be placed into this outreach sequence. And that's all I wanted to show. Thanks for watching.